Charlie Cushane here to do another project. This time, as you may or may not realize, I planted a banyan tree. You can see right here, a couple of years ago. And it's really starting to grow. And as it grows, I've gotten comments to my videos about the possibility that the roots are gonna spread and maybe do harm to my garage. So, to that end, I'm gonna put in a barrier in the ground. And today, to start it off, we're gonna draw a line with the white paint to get ready to put the barrier in. So let's start. Roots. Here are some banyan trees we saw in Sarasota, Florida, which sort of show you how the banyan tree roots can grow in all directions and get very long. So you can never predict where they're going to go or how deep they'll be. Okay, what you see here is a big roll of high-density polyethylene. Plastic has a rough side and a smooth side. Smooth side goes toward the roots. I think they do that so that it doesn't stick to it. This is about 1/8 of an inch thick, 100 thousandths thick. 3 feet wide, 75 feet long. So let's go roll it out in the sun so it can warm up and sort of flatten out. So tomorrow we can bury it. So there you have it. A 75-foot long by 3 foot wide piece of polyethylene, all out in the sun, trying to warm up and take a flat shape so it's easier tomorrow for us to put it in this slot that we're going to dig with a trencher. To get the trench to the maximum depth, 36 inches, we did the slot twice and we're pretty successful. Plastic barrier was so thick and heavy, getting it into the slot required 4 of us to pick it up and carefully put it in the slot without knocking any of the dirt back into the groove. Despite our best efforts, we weren't able to get the trencher to dig deep enough, so we ended up cutting 6 inches off the top of the barrier to make it flush with the grass. Now it's time to backfill the hole. Time to put down some grass seed. Once this grass starts to grow, the barrier will be completely invisible, and I feel very confident that it will protect my garage from any future damage of sprawling roots.